Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Worth Guitars. It's been a little while since I did a video. Been super busy trying to keep up with all the orders and just getting things organized the way we want it to be. But we're starting to really make progress now and it feels really good. I got a couple things to show you. So let me get the camera where I can show you what's going on. First thing I want to do is glue up a back we're doing for a classical guitar, a Ramirez style classical. And we got that going good. We got our acoustic stuff set up right now. And I'm feeling really good about that because I'm looking forward to doing some acoustics. Let's see what else. That's all I got for the moment. Before I go even further though, I would like to ask you if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, if you like what you see on here and you'd like to see some more and you want to get to know us a little better, just hit that subscribe button down there and hit the bell. That also lets you know when a new video comes out. And if you like videos, do us a favor and give us a thumbs up. Okay? That helps us with the algorithms on YouTube. It lets YouTube know that somebody cares, all right? And everybody wants to know that somebody cares. All right. We gotta make the algorithms happy in this world. It's not bad enough that we have to make everyone else happy. We gotta make computer algorithms happy too. So anyway, do that for me if you would. If you've already subscribed, thank you, you're awesome. We're up to 154, the mighty 154. You're awesome. All right, let me get set up and we'll see what's happening around here. Okay, hang on. So before we do anything else, the owner of the Ramirez that we're building wants a very simple strip down the back and an accent wood. This is Indian Rosewood, two very beautiful pieces of Indian Rosewood. And we're going to put a nice flame maple strip right down the back there, just to give it a little accent piece. And we will continue that accent down the side at the end by the heel cap. The same wood, we'll save some of it, and we'll just return that back down, and that'll look pretty cool. So I'm going to get this glued up in this rig that you've seen before. Works really well. I'm going to go ahead and get some glue on this and get this glued up, and I can set it aside. Then I can show you a couple other things we got going on, okay? And I'll get you closer so you can see what we're doing here. Okay, I've already got the cams basically set. These cams on this side here. And I've got this set to where I want it to be. So this is basically in the center of the Teflon impregnated strip that I have here. I can't remember the name of this material. It has a special name, and it's super slippery. Nothing will stick to it. It's really hard to get it to stay in place. Actually, I had to use epoxy. And if you were to pull on that, it would pop off, but it'll stay in place as long as you don't put any pressure on it. But like wood glue and things like that won't stick to it. So we get this centered up where we want it, right here. And that's good. That'll work. And we make sure we got a good tight joint before we ever get started. Now it's just a matter of getting some glue on it. Do that right quick. And we'll move on. I'll make sure this is clean. We don't have any weird things going on here. Actually, there's a little bump right there. And I'm going to do a little something too before I do anything else. I hadn't noticed. So hold on a second. So I noticed just a little bump right here. It may be just from using the joiner. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run the sander along that edge real quick. This long aluminum sanding block that I have, it's super straight. And I just hold it like this and just hit it with a couple of strokes. Sorry about that, I got a little battery message. So we just hit it with a couple of strokes like this. And that should take care of any issues that we have. Ensuring that that is a nice straight joint. All right. And I think my battery's getting ready to die, so this may look weird here in a minute. When the next time you see this, I may have on a different shirt or something like that, because my camera's getting ready to die. but maybe we got enough time to get this glued together. So let's give that a shot. All right, so the first thing we want to do, let's get some glue on there. Already cleaned all the glue real well. That looks good. That looks good. Let's put a little glue on there and get it glued up. This is tricky doing a small piece like this. Glue on that. Put some glue on this one as well. Do a little glue sheen. I'll do the other side. That. So make sure we got a glue on here. Put that one down. And the last one. That looks good. Get those up next to each other. Put a little cloth here. Get glue off my fingers. Always good to have one of those ready to go, a nice wet cloth. And what we're going to do is try to clean that excess off of there. Without smashing it all down into the grain. Just want to get it basically up off of there. Like that. There we go. Okay. That'll hold that. Put this piece on to keep it flat. That looks good. We got this in place. Now all we gotta do is tighten our cams up. I'm gonna hit the one in the middle first. Make sure this is tight. That's holding our center down. I'm gonna hit the one in the middle first, snug it up real hard, tighten that, and hit this one, snug it up. Do this one, make sure it's tight. Just gonna give this a quick peek. It's nice because you can just slide it over. That looks really good. It's nice and flat in here. Everything's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it. I think we got a really good joint here. Gotta make sure these are tight. Okay, we got that. Okay, that's good. We got that done. It's nice. That's sitting nice and flat in there. So this is our back, for the sides we have in the mold right now. Got a couple of nice rosewood sides in here. In our mold, so those are good to go. Got the back done. Back's looking good. I have a top ready to go for another guitar that we're building. Let me show you that. Hold on. Got the rosette done for it. It turned out pretty nice. I tried to do a video of how I did this, and maybe I can get it to work again, but the video didn't turn out very well. Something went on with the camera. I bumped it or something, and it wasn't even looking at what when you do it yourself and you get in a hurry. So forget about that, I guess, right? But anyway, we got this happening. Let me put this up. Got these done this morning. A couple of Selenes ready to go. Well, they're not ready to go yet, but I did get them cut this morning, got the profile done, got the arm bevel done, and now all we need to do, if you look closely, you'll see there are tabs holding this together. See that little tab right there? It keeps it from coming apart on the machine. That one is cut through because the back bevel cut it. So all I got to do now is run over to the bandsaw, cut these tabs off, and then this is good to go. I'll show you what I mean. Right, there you go. Now we got one cut out. This one here is for Patrick Lilla. This is his Selene. Obviously, humbucker single coil, Godo 5-pin trim. Got the cool coffin control cavity going on. You don't see that come through yet because I haven't cut it through yet. But I will. I actually need to recess in here just a bit for the switch. This is a super lightweight guitar. Look at his neck. Okay, there you go. Reverse inline Selene with Patrick Lilla, obviously a bolt-on neck. We will relieve that some to make it a little more comfortable right there, up inside there. And there's also a flame maple fretboard, which I haven't done yet. I'm working on that still. Wasn't real happy with the first one, so I redid it. But there we are. So that's how we cut them out of the blanks after they come off of our machine. We do 2 at a time, and that's working out well for us. Doing 2 necks at a time, 2 fretboards at a time. So everything we do 2 of. This one will be for sale as well when we get it done. And we have a couple of different nets you can choose from as far as the type of wood the neck is made out of and the fretboard and what goes on the fretboard. Obviously this is the body, but the neck can be a darker wood or a lighter wood. You can go with bird's eye, you can go with flame maple, and whatever type of fretboard you want to wear. Man, this guitar is so light, it's ridiculous. This swamp ash is crazy light. Unreal. Gary Hammond, if you're watching, This is what you want, man. This thing right here probably weighs 3 pounds at the moment. Anyway, that's all I got for you today, I think. Is that it? I think that's it. It's not much, but that's what we got for today. Just a quick video today. Let you know where we're at, what we're doing, what's going on, okay? I hope you guys have a great week ahead, great month ahead. Thank you again for watching. I'm gonna go back to work trying to get this guitar ready to go. Patrick, if you're watching, this is you, buddy. Here she comes. We'll see you soon. You guys be good to each out there. To each out there. Be good to each other out there. And get out there and see some bands. And support your local bands and bars. Okay, that's all I got now. All right. You guys be cool. See you later. Peace out. Bye now.